Good morning, everyone. So, my name is Jumel T. General from Consuelo Banawan, Agusan del Sur. And for today's video, we will discussing what is ICT hardware components. So, first, let's define what is ICT hardware components. So, ICT hardware components refers to the physical parts of a computer system or other ICT device. These components are essential for processing, storing, and communicating information. Here are some common ICT hardware components. So first, we have input device. First, we have keyboard for typing text and commands. Second, we have mouse for navigating and interacting with graphical user interfaces. Third, we have scanner for digitalizing printed documents and images. Fourth, we have webcam for capturing video and images. Fifth and last in input device is microphone for record audio. Second, in ICT hardware components, we have processing and storage devices. First, we have Central Processing Unit or CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer, executes instruction and performs calculations. Second, we have motherboard. Motherboard connects hardware components and provides a platform for the CPU. Third, we have RAM or Random Access Memory. Temporarily stores data and applications. Fourth and last, we have hard disk drive or HDD. Stores data, programs, and operating system. So the difference between RAM and HDD is RAM is temporary stores, but the hard disk drive is permanent storage. Next is output devices. So first, we have monitor, displays text, images, and videos. Second, we have printer, prints documents and images. Third, we have speakers, produce audio output. Fourth, we have projector, displays image and videos on a large screen. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.